our project that is Smart Fetal Birth Weight Prediction. Initially, we'll come up with a login page. If the user doesn't have any account already registered, he can register using this link, register. As soon as we click on that register link, we come up with a registration page where we'll fill out our username and password. For instance, let us take our username as Mohan and let the password be Mohan1234. Since the password requires both alphabetical characters and numerical characters of minimum length 8, we have satisfied that condition. When we click on register, a new account will be registered using our username and password through which we can log in. Uh, so our username is Mohan and password is Mohan1234, using which when we log in, we get to our home page. Whenever we get a invalid whenever we type the invalid password, we get an invalid password for alert. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. uh, as soon as the user enters a proper username and corresponding password, they come up through an port home page which takes the necessary inputs to predict the birth weight. For instance, let us take an example where the parent age is 23, height is 146 centimeter, parity is 1, ANC is 4, initial weight is 34, initial weight is 34, final weight is 42, systolic initial BP is 116, initial BP diastolic is 78, final systolic is 120, final diastolic is 70, initial hemoglobin level is 10, final hemoglobin level being 13.2, blood sugar level as 90, LNH is 2, the blood group is A positive, the term is preterm, which both can be altered through a drop down, and the date we enter the initial date, that is the date when it is being predicted. After this, when we click on predict birth weight, when we click on predict birth weight, we get two values with uh, where the birth weight is predicted based on two algorithms, that is random forest and linear regression. And next, when we click on show graph, this shows us a graph of the birth rates predicted over the period of time. Since we have predicted only once on today's date, it is 2.78. The user can access all the previous date to track the growth or decrement in the birth weight. Going back to the home page, we also have a refresh button which refreshes all the entries there, the predict weight button, which predicts the weight, also an accuracy button, which depicts how accurate our algorithm is. That is which is evident where a random forest is more accurate. So we'll be considering random forest as our final value. Thank you.